differentiation of composite function. Now we discuss differentiation of composite functions. In previous lecture we have find differentiation of composite functions are studied. Now again today the solving of problem of composite functions. There are first question are solved, that is y equal to root of tan x. Question number first, differentiation of y equal to root of tan x with respect to x, which is a composite function, because we know that differentiation of tan x not known the differentiation of root tan x. Hence we can define in previous lecture are composite functions those functions which are known in standard result of differentiations is called composite functions. For example, we know that differentiation of tan x, sin x, cos x, sec x, not by differentiation of x square, tan x square, sin x cube, that is composite. Here function y equal to root tan x is a composite function. Then we have say that these differentiation we can written as y equal to tan x whole power 1 by 2. First we differentiate these function by the formula of x power n are differentiated dx of y equal to 1 by 2 into tan x whole power 1 by 2 minus 1 into differentiation of tan x, because which is our composite functions. Solving these, dx of y equal to 1 by 2 tan x whole power minus 1 by 2 into differentiation of tan x, we know that sec square x. Solving these, we get dx of y equal to 1 by 2 in root of tan x into sec square x, or implied dx of y equal to sec square x divided by 2 root of tan x. That's all. These problems are also solving this process. If the given function are composite, then the differentiation by this chain rule are differentiating in operating function, and this process apply till when the differentiation of function in standard result. डिफरेंशिएशन हम लोग तब तक करते रहते हैं, किसी भी कंपोजिट फंक्शन का डिफरेंशिएशन आप तब तक प्रोडक्ट में करते रहते हैं जब तक वो अपने स्टैंडर्ड रिजल्ट फॉर्म में न आए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फॉर एग्जांपल क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, डिफरेंशिएटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x y equal to cos square x square, cos square x square. Solution, given that y equal to cos square x square, differentiating it with respect to x, and we can written as in the form y equal to cos x square whole square. It is differentiating with respect to x by the formula of x power n. Differentiating dx of y equal to 2 into cos x square whole power 2 minus 1 into differentiation of cos of x square, or implies that dx of y equal to 2 into cos x square into differentiation of cos x square. Here the differentiation of cos x square are first differentiating by cos x, but also multiplied by x square, because cos x square is a composite function. Differentiation of cos x square is known as minus sin x square into differentiation of x square. Next, dx of y equal to minus will be multiplied minus 2 cos x square into sin of x square into differentiation of x square with respect to x by the formula of x power n is 2x. Multiplied 2 into 2 is 4, or simplified by dx of y equal to minus 4 into x into cos square cos x square into sin x square. These are solved. किसी कंपोजिट फंक्शन का डिफरेंशिएशन बाय चेन रूल हम लोग करते हैं, वो प्रोसेस अप्लाई करते हैं। फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग देखते हैं कि एक फंक्शन किस रूप को प्रेफर कर रहा है, किस फॉर्म को होल्ड कर रहा है, एल्जेब्रिक है और ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल है, लॉगरिथमिक है। जो फर्स्ट टाइप ऑपरेटिंग फंक्शन होता है, फर्स्ट टाइम उसी के रिस्पेक्ट या उसके फार्मूले के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं, इनटू मल्टीप्लाई तब तक करते जाते हैं जब तक वो स्टैंडर्ड रिजल्ट के रूप में ना आए। सेम कंडीशंस। नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ y इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट a स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर। y इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट a स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर। सॉल्यूशन, गिवन दैट y इक्वल टू अंडर रूट a स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, it is differentiating with respect to x. We can written as in the standard form y equal to a square minus x square whole power minus 1 by 2. Now differentiate with respect to x by the formula of x power n. dx of y is equal to minus 1 by 2 into a square minus x square power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into differentiation of a square minus x square. Simplify this step. dx of y is equal to minus 1 by 2 a square minus x square whole power minus 3 by 2. Now again differentiating this term, separating formula, a square will be separate constant, the differentiation will be 0 minus differentiation of x square or 2x. Simplify by these, dx of y is equal to, here minus 2 we will multiply by minus will be positive and 2 will be cancelled out. Here x upon a square minus x square whole power 3 by 2. It is also written as in the form a square minus x square into root of a square minus x square, or also is a result in this form. Simplify by, हमेशा फर्स्ट टाइम जो गिवन प्रॉब्लम होता है, गिवन प्रॉब्लम को स्टैंडर्ड रिजल्ट में कन्वर्ट कर, इसके बाद जो स्टैंडर्ड रिजल्ट रूप में फार्मूला कन्वर्ट करेगा उस फार्मूला से डिपेंड करेंगे और डिफरेंशिएशन हम तब तक अप्लाई करते जाते हैं मल्टीप्लाई में बाय चेन रूल, जब तक उसका डिफरेंशिएशन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में न प्राप्त हो जाए. दैट्स ऑल. Next problem, for example, question differentiating y is equal to root of x into sin x. Differentiating it, y is equal to root of x into sin x. Solution. Given that y is equal to x into root of x into sin x, we can written as in the form y is equal to x into sin x to whole power 1 by 2. Differentiating it with respect to x, dx of y is equal to, which is differentiating with respect to x by the formula of x power n 1 by 2 x into sin x whole power 1 by 2 minus 1 into differentiation of x into sin x. Simplify of this term, dx of y is equal to 1 by 2 into x into sin x whole power 1 by 2 minus 1, solving we get minus half, and simplify in denominator 1 upon root of x into sin x, which are solved, and differentiating these terms by the formula of product of two functions. First function is known as x, second function is known as sin x. We know that product differentiation of first function, product of two functions, first function differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function. In bracket, first function differentiation of second function plus second function sin x into differentiation of first function, which are simplified by dx of y is equal to 1 upon 2 root of x into sin x into first function differentiation of sin x. We know that differentiation of sin x, which cos x plus sin x into differentiation of x is equal to 1. और सिंप्लीफाइड ddx ऑफ y इज इक्वल टू x इंटू cos x प्लस sin x डिवाइड बाई 2 रूट ऑफ x इंटू sin x. That is all. Same process. Any problem are given. First time we choose taking the standard form of functions. कौन से रूप का फार्मूला अपडेट करता है, जिस रूप का फार्मूला अपडेट करता है उसी को हम लोग फर्स्ट टाइम अपडेट कर देते हैं फार्मूला.